Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to view sent friend requests on Discord using the latest update. If you've sent out friend requests and want to check their status, this guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your friends and settings. Next, press the Discord logo located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your main interface, where you can manage your friends and messages. Once you're on the main page, ensure that you have the Friends tab selected. This section is where you can see all your friends, pending requests, and more. Now, look for the Pending option. Click on it, and this will show you all the friend requests you've sent that are still awaiting a response. Here, you can see which requests are still pending, and which friends you're waiting to connect with. If you want to cancel any requests, you can do that from this list as well. Just hover over the request and look for the option to cancel. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your sent friend requests on Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting on Discord.